hopefully you were able to enjoy the majority of our Saturday while it was dry and warm. Now we are starting to see some pretty damp conditions and windy conditions as we move on into our Saturday night. A look from our Storm Tracker 6 radar. You can see a heavy line of showers moving towards the Smokies, and we have seen some pretty heavy showers here in downtown Knoxville. Some areas seeing the heaviest, though, closer towards the Von Nor Elementary School area, Madisonville, close to Madisonville High School, even near Rockville. Another area seeing some heavier showers kind of closer towards Rockford, Alcoa, Bentry, Lakemont, even near Bonnie Kate Elementary School. And one last stop for us on our radar here, closer towards Deep Springs and Fairview Heights. That's where we're seeing some red and yellow there, indicating some heavier droplets. Now, when can we see this rain moving on out? Well, look at our 6 predictor. Heading on into the rest of the night, we will continue to see some scattered showers until at least 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. Now, after that, we should see cloud cover decreasing, and we will be left with dry and pleasant conditions. But we actually will be seeing temperatures dropping throughout the day, because what's driving all of this rain is a cold front, and we will hit our Sunday high around midnight or 1 a.m. Or overnight. So just be aware of that. As we move on into our Sunday evening, cloud cover is expected because another round of rain is on its way as we move on into our Sunday night going into our Monday morning. And this is not our last chance either. We actually have multiple chances coming up. And our future rainfall, at least tonight, not looking too impressive. We're looking at about close to 1/4 of an inch, maybe even less for some of us. But that added on to the multiple days of rain we have coming up will definitely make a dent in our rainfall amounts, especially as we near Tuesday and Wednesday. That's when we expect to see a stronger system moving on through that can bring heavy rain to us here in East Tennessee and bring some pretty heavy snow to the East Coast. Now, what kind of totals are we talking about? We're looking at close to 5 inches or more, and that is definitely a lot, especially considering we were so dry for about 2 weeks. And it's going to be really hard for the ground, especially in the Southern Valley, to absorb that much rain in a short amount of time. So we are going to have to watch out for some flooding. Even already have a flash flood threat that's on the medium end for the portions of our area here, especially in the areas highlighted in yellow. This is south of 40, including pretty much all of Knox County. The rest of us under that low end threat. But again, we're going to have to watch those flood prone areas, especially with this amount of rain we are expecting. We do expect again to see a mostly dry day for our Sunday. Temperatures cooling as we head on into the afternoon. Slight rain chance going into Monday evening, and then a heavy chance going into Tuesday and Wednesday. Luckily by Thursday, looks to be a mainly early rain chance, and then we expect to see some drier conditions going on into Friday and Saturday. Finally seeing dry conditions, but notice our temperatures are actually back up above average in the low 60s by next Saturday. So it definitely doesn't feel like February, Bo.
No, but it's going to be a little bit cooler than today, that's for sure. So I guess we'll definitely, maybe a light jacket kind of weather.
Yeah.
Something like that. All right, Margo.